Hey everyone, welcome aboard. So today we're going to be installing floor mats in our brand new 2022 Tesla Model X Refresh 7-seater. And if you are also an owner of a 7-seater Refresh Model X, you'll know that floor mats are difficult to come by, even on Tesla's own website. So with the lack of options, I decided to take a risk and order a set for the 2017-2021 Model X's to see if they would fit. And to my surprise, they fit almost perfectly. So the second and third row mats fit almost like they were made for this vehicle. As you'll see here, took about 5 minutes to install the second and third rows, and it's a great option if you need to have your floors protected immediately and you can't wait for back-ordered mats or Tesla to actually offer its own product, or any of the other manufacturers like WeatherTech to create mats specifically for the Refresh Model X 7-seater. As you'll see here, you can connect the second and third row mats together using these Velcro tabs that span the entire width of the mat. And as you'll see in this close-up, the fitment is great, and the mats will do what they're intended to do, which is to protect the carpeting beneath the mat. It's a good view of the floor lighting that comes with the vehicle as well. Moving on to the front passenger mat. This is probably the one mat that might be a little problematic in terms of fitment. But after playing around with the fitment a bit, it's very difficult to tell that this mat doesn't fit perfectly to the Refresh Model X. So this is the portion of the mat that probably has the most fitment issues, but again, it's really hard to tell. Moving on to the driver's side, this mat is pretty much plug and play. It fits almost perfectly, if not perfectly, and it doesn't seem like there was much change between the Refresh Model X and the previous generation. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested in purchasing these mats for your own Refresh Model X 7-seater. Until the next video, thanks for watching.